Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make romantic video like this on Filmora9. So let's start the video. For more cool tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Adjust your video. Now go to effects and search Purple Love and drag into your timeline. And also search Bokeh Blur 6 and drag into your timeline. Now double click on this and go video effects. Set Purple Love effect around 50 and click OK. Now copy these video effects and paste it on other videos. Now add dissolve transition in middle part of video and add fade transition first and last part of the video. Okay, our effect is ready. Render frame for smooth playback. Let's check preview. As you can see, our effects is ready, but you can add a background music for better experience. So let's export our final project. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.